Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Diwali. I wish this festival of light brings success, happiness and most importantly good health to all of you. So this time I celebrated Diwali with my family and with my awesome colleagues from Munevo. We celebrated virtually because of the lockdown restrictions of Corona at Germany. But I must say I didn't miss a single thing. We danced, we played and most importantly we cooked. This Diwali everyone learned how to cook rice kheer with me online and I should say everyone did a very good job and I want to thank everyone from Munevo to make this happen. So let's see how we celebrated this festival of light and also learn how to cook rice kheer. To make rice kheer, we need rice. Today I have taken Sona Masuri, but you can also take Basmati rice, about 70 to 80 grams. Then sugar, about 40 to 50 grams. Then some dry fruits like cashew nuts, some almond flakes, and some raisins. We also need milk, about 1 liter. First wash the rice properly and then add some water and let it soak for like 15 minutes. Now heat up a pot and then add the milk. Also remember, keep the temperature very low and also stir it continuously, otherwise it can burn your milk. Once your milk started boiling, you can add your rice. As you can see, mine is already started boiling, so I am adding my rice. And then keep stirring again. This will take some time, so have patience and keep stirring. After 15 minutes, you can see that our rice is almost half cooked and also the quantity of milk is reduced. You have to keep stirring for another 15 to 20 minutes. After another 15 to 20 minutes, our rice is almost cooked. Now it's time to add sugar. Do remember, do not add your sugar before the rice is cooked because then it will take more time to cook. Now it is time to add the dry fruits. You can add any kind of dry fruits. Today I am adding some raisins, then some almond flakes, and also some cashew nuts. Now let it cook for another 5 minutes. And finally our kheer is done. Transfer it into a serving bowl and then garnish it with some more almond flakes, some cashew nuts and some raisins. And that's it. Here is your yummy, tasty rice kheer.
First word. Second.
Second word.
Run.
Sprint.
Lavita, 3 idiots.
Cool running.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and also loved our celebration. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification about my upcoming video. Till then, enjoy the rice kheer. Bye.